1 minute.
Sai Charan gave it 7.
Wait. I'm just clearing the screen right now. And what Sai Charan has asked, that I'm just solving the questions. Few.
So I also have a bit doubt in that question.
Okay, 1 minute, children.
Same question.
Sir, what we are discussing, sir?
Few doubts they are having right now. So let me clarify. It will take 5 to 10 minutes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Or if you know children, just tell me, you people. Okay. If you're having doubts, you can also tell me what to do of this question. Okay. See, one question Sahil has asked is, sorry, Sai Charan has asked. This is the question, Sai Charan.
Yes, sir.
Anyone can children answer this question? Anyone of you can answer this?
Sir, can you? Sir, we can't see, sir.
You can't see that.
No, sir.
We
Okay.
can see.
Once again, I'm sharing. Okay. Once again, I'm sharing. If you can't see again, you have to join re again. Now you can see.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, see, children, how to do this question is, the question is x square plus 1 by x square. How to find x square? The x square is equals to 2 plus root 3 whole square, correct?
Yes.
4 plus 3 plus 2 root 2, right? Or better, what you do, x is this, no, 1 by x you find. 1, or here is become 7 plus 2 root 2, right? Sai Charan?
2, sir. 2 root 3, sir.
2 root 3, yes, 2 root 3. So if you find 1 by x, what is 1 by x over here? 1 by 2 plus root 3, and 1 by x square, if you find this is the whole square like this, it means that 1 by 7 plus 2 root 3, correct? You can multiply by 7. Root should not be in denominator. So we rationalize this.
Sir, I understand, sir. I can solve this, sir.
Okay, fine. To see what you think, the same thing I'm doing or not. Priyanshu.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
49 minus 2 to the 4, 3 is 12. So 7 minus 2 root 3 divided by 49 minus 12, 37. Now put the value over here. X square value is 7 plus 2 root 3 plus 7 minus 2 root 3 divided by 37. So much complication is coming over here, no?
Yes, sir. Sir, like, sir, I have done in another method, sir. Sir, I can done in another method.
Easy method also can be possible, but how to do?
Sir,
I can done, sir.
I have seen this question in one app, sir.
Wait. I'll just do once again how to do this
Sir,
question.
like, sir, 1 by x.
Yeah, understood.
Sir,
What
for
you
me,
think
this
about?
question came in
Sir,
one
1 by x
textbook.
is equal to 1 by 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 is equal to 2 minus root
Method
3.
how we can do is
So
how
can we use the property a
2
square plus
square.
b square?
see x plus 1 by
Sir,
x whole
actually,
square.
we can do LCM for x square plus 1 by x square, sir. Then
What?
sir, means first, means
Sir, I can tell, sir.
So can we do x square plus b square? A square plus b square formula?
sir, we
Plus b
do
square.
LCM, sir, for
Yes, sir.
x square plus 1 by x square first.
This only.
What
What
does
is a
he
square plus b
not
square?
Sir,
sir, a square
sir,
plus
we
b
can do,
square
sir,
is
like, sir, 1 by x is equal to 1 by 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 equal to 2 minus root
Okay,
3.
children, all of you can solve and send me. Okay. How I've solved already. I told you already this much question. Next,
Yes,
what you do, you just solve me and send me on the WhatsApp. Okay.
sir, when, sir?
Any time you can send.
Sir, can you send, sir, your number, sir? I don't know.
Yeah, I'm sending every time. No, morning, this one.
Okay, sir.
I'm sending now.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Every time sending this one to you, so you can.
Sir, I will solve, sir. And send.
Hmm?
Sir, I will solve, sir. I will solve now, sir.
No,
Or
no, no,
sir.
no, don't solve right now. See, next
Okay.
question I'm just writing over here. Just try to understand next question. See, this is the next question, Sai Charan.
Yes, sir.
If AB is equals to QR, BC is equal to PR, and AC is over here, then see, first you write ABC. ABC you draw over here. ABC. And here you draw same figure. And A place what is there? Q and R. So you write here Q, R. And here write P. Understood, Sai Charan? This
Yes,
figure is clear to you.
yes, sir.
So this they have given AB is equals to QR, BC is equals to PR, and AC is equals to QP. Okay. This is given
Yes,
the question. Same thing.
yes, sir.
Then which is similar? ABC is similar to PQR. This is wrong. And CBA is PRQ. This is only correct. See, Sai Charan, this is very easy question.
Yes, sir. This is correct, sir. CBA, sir, equal to PRQ.
What I told the concept only, Sai Charan, that only you should use, right? Sai Charan,
Yes,
you should match that one same way. Correct?
yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, and the next question also I have doubts.
Okay, 1 minute. Children, all of you on the camera. Today I'm not going to allow everybody without camera. Okay. Every time I'm excusing you. Sai Charan, today I'll not excuse you. Every time we'll tell something problem and all. Right. And yesterday I removed from class 10 children. Today I also remove you people also. If you're not on the camera, I'll remove directly. And after that, you can't join the meeting. Remember that. If you request anybody or if anybody, you can't join the meeting. Okay. So be proper. If you are owning the camera, well and good. If you're not owning the camera, sit at home. See, the next question is, children, just try this, children. In triangle ABC and PQR, AB is equals to AC, angle C is equals to angle P, angle B is equals to angle Q. That in two triangles are what? So first to draw what they've given here, ABC and PQR. So ABC you draw first, ABC and PQR. So angle C is equal to angle P. So P will come here. Angle B is equals to angle Q. The Q will have come here. PQR will be come on top, right? So AB is equals to AC. AB is equals to what? AC. And angle C is equals to angle P. Angle B is equals to angle Q. Angle B is equals to angle Q. So what we children, what we can do here? Isosceles but not congruent. See, this is congruent or not, children?
No, sir.
It's not, sir.
No, sir.
Isosceles and congruent. Congruent but not isosceles. Neither.
Says isosceles but not congruent.
Sir, isosceles but not congruent.
How this is isosceles? This triangle.
Sir, because the angles are same.
Angles are same. Where angles are same?
Sir, B and Q and P and C.
Yes, correct. See, they have given these two sides are equal. It means that these both angles are also equal. So obviously these two angles are equal means these two sides are also equal, right?
Yes, sir. So sir, it is isosceles but not congruent.
Why not congruent? AAS is also coming now. AAS.
Okay, sir.
So AAS also this is coming, and second is isosceles also you can say. So congruent and isosceles both. What is the answer for this?
Sir, I have sent you another screenshot, sir. That answers.
That answer is there. Let me check. So triangles cannot be congruent, they are saying here. Triangles PQR is an isosceles triangle, but not even a single side of ABC is equal to sides of PQR. Yeah, correct. So see what they
Sir,
are. Ah,
sir, it's like
Sir, in the
RQP is
question they
equals
have
to
not
ABC,
given.
right? Not ABC to PQR.
see what they are given children here down. What they are mentioned, try to understand here.
So the naming is incorrect, sir.
Ah, yeah, correct. See, here they have given the figure. What we have done is this side
RQP.
AB is equals to AC is given. AB is equals to AC. It means that angle B is equals to angle C, correct? I think that is isosceles also, children. As per my knowledge, no, this is isosceles also. Both should be correct, congruent and isosceles. Because see, if AB is equal to AC is given the question, it means that obviously this is isosceles, correct? If this triangle is isosceles and this both are congruent, obviously this is also isosceles only. Is it clear, children, what I'm saying?
Sir, but they said ABC and PQR. And here we wrote RQP. Here
Acha.
ABC is equals to RQP.
Hmm. So what is the problem in naming? What is the problem in naming, man? See here, angle B.
So then ABC is not equal to PQ, right, sir?
AB is not equal to PQ. AB is equal to RQ is there, no?
Sir, but in the question they give in triangles ABC and PQR.
What is there in that? PQR is a triangle only now. Whether you can count from this side or this side, what is there in that?
Sir, we wrote right, sir, because B and C are equal, sir. So BQ are equal and CP are equal, sir. So Q and P are equal and QR and RP are also equal, sir. So both are isosceles.
Yeah, both are isosceles as well as both are congruent also. What is the answer they have given here in the question? In triangle ABC, AB is good, but given that triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. Not even, so here their answer given that isosceles triangle, but not an isosceles triangle, but not even a single side of ABC is equal to the PQR. Correct. This is not congruent. This is isosceles but not congruent. Satvik was
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, because like angles are equal but sides are equal, there is no such information given.
Yeah, see, as per figure what we have drawn here, if they given ABC and PQR, if they give here ABC is congruent to RQP, then it's okay. But they have given ABC and PQR. What Satvik told, that is correct. Understood, children? So this both isosceles are this both triangles are isosceles but not congruent. Understood? Because
Yes,
if you draw the figure in this pattern, no PQR pattern, this don't be isosceles. If they give ABC is congruent to RPQ, then it's correct. Is it clear to everyone, children?
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Sriyanvi?
It's clear, sir.
Sriyanvi, what you have written in the test? Test time, what?
I also got that question wrong as well, sir.
Acha. Hey, Sai Charan, you are like, looks like Himesh Reshamia today. Himesh Reshamia, you know, Himesh Reshamia.
No, sir.
Himesh, you don't know.
No, sir.
He is a music composer, singer. Jhalak dikhla ja, ek baar aja, aja, aja. You have not heard the song.
Yes,
I-
sir.
Ma'am, I have heard.
Sai Charan, you not heard.
Sir, I have heard, sir. That's all.
So he is only the singer and composer both. Okay, children, this Sai Charan's doubt got cleared. So now we start the probability right now. Okay. So we start the probability part now. So last time we are discussing about,
Sir, cards. Cards, sir, we have completed, sir.
yeah, cards we have completed. Now probability we to start.
Sir, concept of card completed, sir. Question we have not completed of cards.
Hey, where is probability I've written? I didn't find here. In math 9th I CBSE. There is no here. As a probability I was teaching from some other. No. Okay. I was teaching from 10th ICSC, I believe. It's probability. But concept is somewhere else. Concept is here. The concept you understood, children? Concept you understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So once again, you just glance once the concept part of it.
Okay, sir.
If you are missing out 2 days before you have read, so this first we have read the what is probability. The chances, favorable outcomes divided by a total outcome. Then Pulastya on the camera. Then probability lies between 0 and 1. And next one is coin part we have read, how to find the outcomes. Then we have read cards, sorry, not cards, die and dice. Okay. So die is singular, dice is plural. Then we have read about cards. There are 26 cards black, 26 card red. Again in red card we are having heart and diamond. Again in black card we are having spade and club. And which all 13 cards
Sir,
are
I
there?
have doubt, sir, in this.
Yeah, ask.
Sir, in books, sir, I have seen, sir, that sir, in cards, sir, then there are, sir, 16 face card.
16 face cards.
Yes, sir.
Which book you have taken that they are saying wrong? Okay, they don't know the
Sir,
concept.
because sir, ace is also na face card, na sir.
No, ace where? Which face is there on ace? Which ace is there on the face? Ace one. Which face is there?
Sir,
A-
like sir,
Ace is not the face card. Remember, children. If they let something, then you can let some. But actually, face card is only Jack, Queen, and King. Which
sir, but sir, in books, sir, it's written, sir.
which book you have read?
Sir, as chance, sir.
Ace Chand.
Yes, sir.
They have written there are 16 face cards.
Yes, sir. I will show, sir. One.
Okay, leave. They have wrong mentioned. You just search in the net also. Okay, Priyansu. Once again, you just search.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And clarify two to three things. Okay, you can see R.D. Sharma, R.S. Agrawal, or this
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
internet also. Some
Okay.
people do mistake, not a problem, but actually face cards are Jack, Queen, and King only. Okay,
Okay, sir.
they might have did, not a problem. But actual face cards are 3 only in one part. Heart, sorry, Jack, Queen, and King, and 3 into 4, that is 12 only. Ace is not face. Ikka. Ikka, what face is having Ikka? Okay, children, the concept part is clear. Shall we start few questions now?
Yes, sir. Sir, and you rub the solution, sir.
Okay, fine. So here I'll ask.
Sir, you are in mute, sir.
Sir, you are in mute, sir. We can't hear you, sir. Hello, sir. Can you hear us?
Sorry, children. See, first two questions I'll not ask to you. Okay, first two questions are very easy. You might have read also. Okay.
Yes.
So I'll ask from question number third. Okay.
Sir, you idiots, sir.
Sir, or else you can do from ninth portion.
Ninth
Yes,
portion.
sir. 10th.
Ninth portion you want. Ninth
Sir,
there is no. Saichar, ninth there is nothing to solve only. What kind of questions are there?
Okay, sir.
If you see the textbook, no Sahil, Sai Charan, you will just feel bored. Because you know everything, small questions are there in that. Okay.
Okay.
Once we just do, I'll solve once. Okay. NCERT part now, I'll just show for you. All right. Okay, do question number third, children, fast. There are only 7 children today came. Nihar is absent. Then Ashini is not coming, no, nowadays.
Sir, done, sir.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Still doing.
All of you do, children, and you just match the answers that whether it's correct or not. Okay. See, greater than 4, 5 and 6. The 2 by 6 is the answer. 1 by 3. You
Sir,
are
1
getting
by 3.
Sir.
all of you are getting 1 by 3. You are getting all of you.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
1
sir,
by
1 by
3,
3.
2 by 3, and 2 by 3.
Less than or equal to 4. The 4
2
by
by 3.
6, the 2 by 3.
By 3.
Not greater than 4.
2 by 3 only.
Sir, 2 by 3, sir.
2 by 3, sir.
Not greater than
Then I
4.
got 2 by 3. Sir, 2
Okay.
by 3.
All are correct then. Okay, fine. Next question is, all of you read the question, children.
Sir, done.
Okay. Shriyanvi,
Done, sir, already.
Sir, done, sir.
done. Shriyanvi,
Yes, sir.
tell me first answer.
I got all of them 1 by 3, sir.
1 by 3.
Yeah.
It's wrong, sir.
1 by 2, no? Even number is what? 2, 4, 6.
All of them are 1.
Sir. Sorry, sir. Accidentally, all of them 1 by 2, sir.
1 by 2. Okay, all right. Will not be an even number. 1 by 2 will be an odd number. 1 by 2. Fine. All of you got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
sir.
1 by 2.
Yes, sir, I got that only.
Okay. Now all of you do this question, children. Question number 5th one. Don't do hurry bari. Do aram se. Do it correctly, but do slowly. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, done, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, done.
Sir, first one is 1 by 18, sir.
Yeah, 1 by 18. No, 1 by 2. Black card. Total, how many black cards are there?
Sir, 1 by 2, sir. Sir, 26 by 52, which is 1 by 2.
Understood, Sai Charan?
Yes, sir. No.
So first one is 1 by 2. Second one is also 1 by 2.
Sir, 1 by 2. Third one is also 1 by 2.
Red card. Be a red card. Red card is 1 by 2 only.
Sir, fourth one is, sir, to 12 by 52.
12 by
Yes, fourth
52.
one is 12 by
Sir, and fifth one is, sir, 3 by 52.
But you should cancel here. So the 4 3s are
Yes,
12
sir.
and 13. 3 by 13. And be a face card of red color. How much?
plus
Sir,
6.
this is 3 by
6
52.
by 52.
Sir, 3 by 52.
3 by 26.
3 by 26.
Yes, sir.
3 by 26. Clear, children?
Sir, I didn't get the fifth one.
Clear, sir.
Huh? What?
I didn't get the fifth one.
You didn't did the fifth one.
I didn't get, sir. Okay.
3 by 52.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, total face cards are, how many face cards are there total?
12.
So how many are of red color?
26.
No, face card only, not total.
6.
Okay, 6.
Sir is 6 by 26, sir.
Why 6 by? We are comparing with
6
complete
by
card. now.
52.
Sir, because he told red color, sir.
But the total outcome is 52.
Wait,
only.
Priyansu, wait. Let me teach him. See, Sai Charan, this is what is happening. No, they're asking that the face card of red color. Face card of red color. So we are comparing in total only, right? We are comparing with whole card, correct, Sai
Sir,
Sai
in
Charan?
red cards are 26, sir. So face cards are 3 and there will be 6 cards in 26, right, sir? So 6 by 26.
Sai Charan, we are comparing always if they're talking about card. So we have to compare with all the pack of card, not only red color. Here they are saying red color, they're comparing for only for face card. So how many
Yes.
face card of red color are there? 3. And in how much? Sorry, 6. In how much? The total card. You don't tell the face card 3 by 26 or 6 by 26. Don't do that. Okay. If they say that only red cards are available, black cards are not there only, then you should compare in 26 cards. Understood, Sai Charan?
Sir, if he tell like be a face card of red card.
Red card.
Yes, sir, means
The red
BFA
card or red card or red color, both are same only, no? Red
Sir,
card.
red color means
Red card is not red color.
sir means it is red, sir, but
If
Sir.
they say, Sai Charan, if they ask like this, no, face card only in red color, only in red color cards. Okay, only in red color cards. The red color card we're comparing in red color card. A face card are how much that you should take. Okay, but here we are comparing with complete card value. Okay, deck of card. So in deck of card total, how many face cards are there in red color? 6. The answer is 3 by 52. Sorry, 3 by 26. All right, Sai Charan.
yes, sir.
So now everyone got the answer. Satvik, you got?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 minute. So on this chapter, no, this will be very interesting, you know. Which part is very interesting, you know. So this you remember, children. If two complementary events means sum of both the this one I told, no, that is 1. Here we are calling complementary that one. This is not the angle ki 90 degree and all. Satvik, why your camera is off now? Satvik Nutakki. He went somewhere or what? What happened to him? See, children, what is happening over here? They are saying A and B are two complementary event. Complementary event means what, you know? Complementary event means sum of both the event is what? Equal to 1.
180.
Not 180 here. This is complementary. This we are not talking about degree in this case. Probability means sum of both the means both the event is equal to 1. That is complementary events. All right. Is it clear? Sum
Yes.
of two event is equal to 1. So here second question is based on that only. If the probability of happening an event is 0.6, the not happening is what? 1 minus 0.646, that is 0.54. Is it clear, children, or not? Not happening. If both includes 1, it means the second part is that only, right? Getting or not, children? 1 minus
Yes, sir.
something. That is there. It means that A and B are what? Complementary events. So here complementary is not 90 degree. Here complementary is what? 1. Sum of two events is equal to 1. In complementary meals means what? Free meals, enjoyable meals, right? If someone is giving you complimentary meals, so that meals mean what? Free. Enjoy the meals. Aram say eat.
Yes, sir.
Take from my side one.
Yes, sir.
Complementary event means sum of two event is equal to 1. Complementary
So,
and
sir, if we are assuming that one is happening, then the other will not happen. Is that correct?
yeah, obviously.
So, what if both are happening? Are they not complementary?
If both will happen means what? The probability is 1, but both will happen, not happen is no chance only, no. If here, see, both are happening, not happening means probability is 0.
Yes, sir.
If both will happen, the other happen, not happening is what? Probability is 0. Then only become 1, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's it. Then
So, if
complement.
both happen, then it will be more than one, right?
Hey, more than 1, how it will come? Satvik?
Sir, if
Sai
one
Ritvik.
is 0.75%,
Suppose,
the other is like.
suppose you are Sai Ritvik, okay?
Yes, sir.
And this is Sai Charan. Both are going to a same place. Suppose Goa you are playing on beach. Okay. So what is the probability that both will not go? The probability of not going is 0. Probability of going is what? 1. Probability is
Yes.
not more than 1.
Okay, as a group, we are regarding both the events.
Yeah.
Sir, what if they won't go?
They won't go, probability is 0. If they are going to Goa, then probability of not going is 0. If both are not going to Goa, probability of going is what? 0 in that case. So what is your question? Depend on your question, right? What is your question? Tell me.
Sir, nothing, sir. They're going to Goa again. They change their mind. They're not going to Goa.
Okay. You went to Goa?
No, sir, I'm saying that they're going to Goa. They change their mind and they're not going to Goa. Like that.
Acha. 4, 5 times they tell that only. They are going to Goa. Second day they're not going to Goa. Third day they are planning to go to Goa. Fourth day they are not going to Goa. So which date they are talking? You are talking about. Depend on that. We have to find the probability. Understood?
Okay, sir.
If 100 times they will change the mind means what? 100 times you should find the probability. The particular thing they will ask, no, on which part, on which time we are going to see that. Okay. Next, see, the same thing is based on the question number 7 is based on that only. In a TT match, table tennis match between Geeta and Ritu, the probability of winning Ritu is 0.73. So what is the probability of winning of Geeta? 1 minus 0.73. If
Yes,
they
sir.
given probability of winning Ritu is 1, if they give in the question, probability of Ritu is winning is 1, the probability of Geeta is what? 0.
0.
Like that only you should think. Both should be equal to 1. Okay, if they are complementary event. So 7, 8 question I'm not going to give to you.
So,
Okay.
one question.
Huh.
So, in the TT question, they said between these two subjects. So, we are just assuming that they're complementary, right? If it's like an event between two subjects.
Yeah, obviously.
Okay.
If two players are playing, the one is winning, one will lose. Like the draw,
Yes.
you should not take it, will become draw. That
So,
case,
that's also a possibility, right?
but you should not consider. Suppose sometimes what happens, boys and girls, how it is a transgender, they will ask that. So how
Sir,
transgender?
one question. So,
Huh.
if we are thinking in real life, then the probability can change based on the situation, right?
Yeah,
Above
sometimes, yeah, but we are not considering here. The children will ask also, sir, what is the probability if they become transgender? So that is not the question actually. Here we are talking real, means not that scenario. Optional
sir.
case. Yeah. So next question is 9th. See, what is the probability of sure event? Sure event is always 1. Impossible event is always 0. Okay. Impossible event is always 0. All right. Now all of you do question number 10th. I'm erasing the answer. All of you do question number 10th fast. Question number 10th. Solve. And those who do 3 questions, 3 children will do, means I'll just discuss the answer. Tell yes. Raise your hands. Pulastya, why you're so silent?
Sir, what, sir?
Sir, yes.
Nothing, Sai
Can you
Sharan.
hear me?
Yeah, Pulastya, do fast and raise your hand. No, why you're
I'm done.
Okay.
you are looking like a lazy person, man. Pulastya, your mind is so proper, but you looks like a lazy person. Why?
Sir, done,
Done
sir.
now.
Ah,
I'm still
Pulastya.
doing.
Okay. Who has done? Raise your hand so that I can understand over here. Sahil has done. Next, Satvik has done. Shriyanvi has
Sir,
done.
I don't know where to
Now
look.
I'm done.
Okay, fine. See, die probability of 5. Tell me, Sahil.
Sir,
5
1 by
by
6.
6.
1 by 6.
Okay, 8.
0, sir.
0 by 6.
Less than 8.
6 by 1.
6 by 1.
Prime number.
3 by 6.
1 by 2.
Okay, fine.
Wait.
No doubt, children.
Sir, isn't it 4 by 6?
Which one?
It's a prime number. 1, 3,
1.
1, 2,
1 is
3.
not a prime number, not composite. Nor prime, nor
Next 2,
composite.
3, 5, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, children, do this one. Question number 11th one. Those who do that, raise your hands. If 3 people make, then I will give the answer. Till 13 we solve right now. After that, quiz will be there. Till 13th. And probability quiz
Okay.
only. You can answer all the questions. I
Okay, sir.
believe you can solve all the answers. Very interesting. Pulastya has
I'm
done.
done.
This is very easy, no?
Yes, sir, I'm also done.
Okay. 1 Pulastya, Sairitvik. Okay. Tell me, Shriyanvi, tell me what is even number? Same repeating
1 by
question.
2.
3 and 8.
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Even number or a multiple of 3.
Was it 2 by 3?
Okay. Anybody else who got the different
Sir, it's
answer?
1 by
Sir,
3.
second one is
It's
2
2
by
by
3.
6, sir. 1 by 3.
2 by 3, how you get? 3 and 8. Difference number between
Sir, I
3
said
and
1
8.
by 3, sir. 1 by 3, sir.
Which one? Which
Sir,
one?
number
I got
between
1
is
by
3,
3.
3, 4, 5, 6, sir.
Wait. First question, everyone got the same answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Second question, anyone
Sir,
getting the
it's 4 by
hey,
6.
don't tell. Sai Ritvik, 1 minute.
Sir.
I'm saying second question, anybody else got different answer from this?
I
No,
got,
sir.
sir.
Okay, tell your answer.
Sir, I'm getting 2 by
Sir,
3.
it's 4 by 6, 2 by 3, sir.
Okay, 2 by 3, right? Anybody
Yes,
else
sir, 2.
got different answer?
I got 1 by 2.
1 by 2. This is only correct answer because
Yeah.
between 3 and 8, which all numbers will come? 4, 5, and 6. Nothing else will come.
Sir, 3 won't be counted.
Between 3 and 8. Between 3 and 1 is 3 also will count off. Between.
No, sir.
If they ask a number less, means 3 or more than 3. 3 or more than 3. Then you can just tell 4 by 6. Okay, so your answer is 1 by
Okay, sir.
2. Now, last answer, someone has given 2 by 3. Who told?
Sir, I
Shriyanvi
didn't
told.
even get third.
Okay, anybody? If you did not get, not a problem. Anybody got
I
different
told 2
answer?
by 3, sir. I also told 2 by 3.
Oh, anybody else?
Sir, I
Children?
got 1.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
So exact answer shall I tell you?
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Okay, you want to think? Okay, think. So children, see to question number 12th one. They're asking that which is probability, which is not. Okay.
Sir, 2 by 3, sir. Third one.
2 by 3 only. Okay. Let me check once. See, or means, try to understand, children. Or means common in both. Common in both. Means including or not common in both. All events. All events in both. All events in both the thing. And okay. And nothing should repeat. Nothing should repeat or repeat. Suppose I'm taking even number. Even number is
Sir,
2.
then, sir, 1 by 2.
Obviously, man. 1 by 2, someone is telling me, so obviously wait for 1 minute then. Achha, 1 by 2, you are saying different answer. Sai Ritvik?
Even I got 1 by 2.
Yes, sir, 1 by 2.
See, 2, 4, 6 and multiple
I
of
said
3.
2 by 3, sir.
So answer is 1, 2, 3. See, here 6 and 6 is matching. So you should count only one time.
Yes, sir,
Multiple of
2 by
6 would, sir,
Please,
multiple of
please
3,
keep
we have
silence.
to count
Please,
3.
please keep silence. Let me finish first, then you just ask your doubt. See, an even number, I told 2, 4, 6. Multiple of 3 is 3 and 6. And we should not count the repeated things. Means only one time we should count. 6 is coming 2 times. You should count only one. So answer is 1, 2, 6 also count 3, and 3 is count 4. So 4 by 6. So answer is 2 by 3. This is the correct answer. So those who are not understanding, just tell me right now. Now you tell me, children.
Got it.
Sai Ritvik?
Got it, sir.
That's why, just if you tell something and all in the middle, you can understand, I can understand, but children who is there, who is following here, they this big hodgepodge becomes. Let me finish. If you are having doubt, you ask. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So next question is question number 12. Which one is the probability? We know the children, the probability lies between 0 and 1, right? So simply you tick, this is probability, this is not, this is probability, this is not, this is not, this is probability. Correct? Anyone having doubt?
Correct, sir. That's
Anyone
what I
having
got.
doubt? Anyone having doubt?
Sir, I have doubts, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
but how did we get the negative part, sir? Minus 0.6, isn't that in the...
That's why I'm telling, no, probability lies between 0 and 1.
The probability, sir.
Huh? What? Which one?
2.7.
This is more than 1, no. 2.7 is more than 1. Probability lies between 0 and 1, and 0 and 1 should be included. Next, any more doubts, children?
Sir, how 43%?
43% means 43 by 100. So you can write 0.43.
Okay, sir.
So this is between 0 and 1. Next. That's it, I believe, right? Satvik, it's clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Last question of the day we are doing. This is very easy question. Nothing to do, only children. Okay. Tell me the answer. Read the question and get the answer. Tell me the answer, children, for this.
Yes, sir, it's 4 by.
So the first one is 0. Second one is 1.
0 and 1.
Yes, sir.
So you're asking 13 or 14.
13th one.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, that's true only now. All are black balls on it, obviously. 0 by 6 is 0 only, and
Yes.
6 by 6 is 1. Okay, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 by 5, sir.
Which is 1 by 5?
Second one, sir.
See, total, how many balls are there? 6 balls. How many balls are black? 6 balls only.
Sir, but he took one ball from it, sir.
So
Black.
we should subtract. What is the probability formula? Sai Charan, see that one. What is the problem? What you are taking out, that should be black. So 100% that is black only now. Where subtraction, we are subtracting that. We are not subtracting now anything. Probability formula, you go to the formula. So favorable outcome. Favorable outcome is out number of black balls. That is 6. Divide by total balls is 6. 6 by 6 is 1. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now you'll enjoy, children. Probability concept. This one, if you understood. He left the what? Priyanshu has left the meeting. Okay. So now we'll do. Are you ready, children? For
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let me show your main screen. I will show you. Here I'll write quizzes. So find a quiz. Probability. Probability. For class 9.
Sir, will this chapter be forever, sir?
Huh? Chapter?
Will be forever. For another.
Chapter will be what? I'm not getting you. Chapter?
That means after 10th will be.
Yeah, after 10th also we're having the chapter. But
Okay, sir.
that concept will be a bit different. Okay. 9 to 12th I won't ask. That concept is different. Okay, Sai Charan.
Okay, sir.
Class 7th to 9th I'll ask. This is better. Start. Nobody is perfect in probability. So much hard chapter is this. No, you can't understand. But till 10th, no doubt. Till 10th is very easy. Children, I've just sent you the code. Just check once. Three children joined. 4. Total should be 7. Again, who left? That starting it was 9 people. Again, who left out? Children, what you why you off all of you on off the camera? All of you off the camera immediately. Sai Ritvik, what is the problem with you? All the time you off the camera.
Sir, when I'm going to that
Sir, I
website,
was just readjusting myself, sir.
sir, I'm in tab, sir. When I'm going, it's
Okay, I'm starting now.
I'm done.
Yeah, 2 children done. 5 are still doing. Hey, Sai Sharan, why you're doing so mistake, man?
So it's easy.
Sir, don't know, sir.
Okay.
So it's very easy.
Huh?
So it's very easy, sir.
Very easy. But why you
Yes,
take
sir.
so long time and you win from me also? What you have done?
Sir, I got one redemption question. So first one I got wrong, so I corrected it.
I have not got wrong only. Then,
So means you should be first, sir, actually.
hmm.
Sir, in middle I got one boost, sir, which will give double the point.
Acha, okay. I didn't got any boost. Okay, children, next, I'm just sending you next one. Okay, this is over now. So Satvik is stop, then second Pulastya, third is Veda. Okay, next children, next quiz is, hey, where it waits, here it went. Okay, here it is. So chat box. I'll not show my this screen right now. Okay. You have to do by yourself. All of you on the camera, children, all of you on the camera. Sahil, Pulastya, Sairatvik, Sahil has on the camera. Satvik, why you off the camera? Satvik, why is required to you?
Sir,
What, sir?
I don't know, sir.
You don't know why off is required. Hmm? Okay. The next I sent to you then chat box. I've sent already, right? Second one. You have joined, children?
Yes, sir.
7 people happened. Okay, start up. This is, I think, 20 questions are there in this. 20 questions.
Sir, what are those dependent and independent questions, sir?
That is 11th class question.
I just picked the answers to those randomly.
Hmm. I understood, Sriyanvi, where you did mistake. Shall I tell you? All dependent, independent, right?
Yes, sir.
Same problem for me, sir.
Yeah,
I
me.
just
No,
found out that if they put it back, then it's independent, and if they leave it out, then it's dependent or something.
yeah. So you don't know the concept of dependent, but that's why not a single question of mine also got correct of independent, dependent. Simply I'm putting coming question dependent, dependent.
The other problem was those B of white, then purple, then black. I didn't understand how to calculate that.
Sir, actually, I'm getting all the marks in the independent and dependent, sir.
Okay,
I got
okay.
all full marks in the dependent, and all remaining were.
And then you are having doubt in this one without replacing that one, right? That is also not the syllabus of yours. Without replacing the cards, you have to find the probability. That one they are saying no. Satvik, Nutaki. Ding, ding, ding.
Sir, I got maximum wrong ones from those questions only. Dependent.
Hmm. Okay, children. First is Pulastya, second is Satvik, third is Sriyanvi. And now Sai Charan may go topper. I know he may go up. Sai Charan may come to, I think, first place or second place. Right, Sai Charan? Your target is that only, no? Sai Charan.
Yes, sir. What, sir?
You come to first or second. Do fast, man. How much time you're taking? I don't know. Why you're so slow? Why you're doing so slow, Sai Charan?
Sir, I'm doing, sir.
Because I'm going to close the meeting. You become topper. I don't know. It's become 9-5 now. You want to do? Shall we close, Sai Charan?
Sir, close it, sir. I don't want.
Don't want to play.
Yes, sir.
Okay, children. All of you can leave for the day. Thank you all.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.